Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we will talk about challenges and the benefits of design tokens. Let's talk first about the team challenges. And the team here, designers and developers. The normal process without design tokens will have a lot of challenges inside the team. So for example, the communication gap between designers and developers. Manual handoff. Once you finish the design, you have to manually hand off the design to the developers. Repetitive tasks, because each developer have to inspect manually each component and get the values and try to use it in his code. Difficulty tracking the changes, because there is no one source of truth of the changes here. Lack of unified language, because we don't have one language, and the designers don't understand the developers here. No documentation, for example. Inconsistent branding. Absolutely, this will happen if you have more than platform. So, more than one developer will take your design, convert it to their code, like web version, iOS version, Android version. And here, absolutely, we'll have some mistakes of the consistency. Manual platform adjustment, because each developer must manually pick the value and put it in his code. And absolutely, this will make our development process longer. But what if we implement design tokens in our project? What is the benefits here we will get? So absolutely single source of truth, one single, because everything controlled by the designer, who will take a decision on Figma by implementing and creating the design tokens or update it. Automated workflow, because the workflow between the designers and developers from the design tokens, then converted to JSON, converted to each code platform. All of this will be done. Task automation here, this means the task for each developer must inspect manually. This will not be manually, this will be automated. Simplifying the change tracking, that means we have one file, we update it, we know when this updated, only one file as a source of truth. Consistent branding, absolutely this happen, there will never be any mistake on this. If you open iOS app, Android app, web version, whatever, you will find same UI. Same looks and feel, okay? So, faster development, absolutely this 100% will be faster. Streamline communication, everything will be, very easy between designers and developer. Unified language, absolutely. Cross-platform uniformity, this 100% will be happen, because one source of truth, control, how the design looks and feel. This button here, if I update it, will reflect to all platforms, all devices, and so on. Okay, let's go to the company challenges without design tokens. The normal companies not following design tokens or not implementing design tokens in their project, absolutely they will have identity confusion. Slow product delivery, because everything is manual here. Extend time to market, and this is a very big problem for each company. Delays and extra costs, absolutely, So, if we are using the normal process, a lot of things will be manual, a lot of issues, many updates. So, absolutely, this will delay the project, or extend the time to market and make the cost for the company is higher. Keeping up with trends. Let's say we have new trends, new UI trends right now. Okay, so it's not easy to update everything many times as a code. Adapting to market changes. Also, this is a big problem, and the company co-founders will understand this 100%, because I need to be adapted to market changes here to save a lot of time and cost. Conflict specification, because we don't have one source. Limited growth, absolutely, and the scaling challenges. I need to scale, I need to update, but this will take a lot of time from me, and this will make me have a limited growth. Okay, so what if the company start to implementing the design tokens? What is the benefits the company will get at the end? So 100% clear identity in all platforms, in all devices. So everything will be clear, same, consistent. Quick product delivery, because a lot of things will be automatic. Less time to market, and this is actually the company will be very happy for that. Time and cost efficiency, 100%. We will save a lot of time. That means we'll save a lot of cost. Trend and market adaptation. So it's easy. Okay, now I need to have shadow. I just update a shadow. Everything now has no corner radius. I updated on my design. Automatic reflective code to all platforms, all devices, without any single step required from your engineers. And this is a massive time and cost saver. A strategic resource allocation, absolutely, because your developers right now will focus more of new features, functionality, quality of the code. Yeah, not just to spend a lot of time to fix UI issues, to track, okay, what is this color, and so on. Aligned specification, absolutely, will be between the team, absolutely, okay. Unified UX across products, absolutely, the user will have a unified user experience. Once he go any platform to use your product, absolutely, will have the same user experience, and this is really good. Growth effectively and this scalable solution, if you did all of this, absolutely, you can scale very fast, you can do anything. Okay, that's it for today. I hope this is clear. I think this video will help you a lot. If you want to talk to your managers, try to make them familiar a little bit with design tokens. Maybe this video can help you to what is the benefits, what is the challenges we are facing. Absolutely, I know most of you have these challenges and the problems in your companies. So I think this video can help you to start to talk to your managers what the challenges we are having right now, and what if we use design tokens, what are the benefits we can get. That's it for today. See you again. Bye.